Today I will show how to create falling stars. Create fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to fusion. Add background node and set the color to white. Add an ellipse node. Right click on the one of the size parameter, choose expression and link it to the second size parameter. This will allow you to scale unevenly on both axes. Set the size to 0.003. Right click on center parameter and choose modify with vector result. Go to the modifiers tab. Set origin x to 0. Right click on the distance parameter and choose modify with anim curves. Set source to duration. Now we have a point moving across the screen. Right click on the scale parameter and choose expression. Enter the formula. Add light rays node. Set ray directional to add an angle. Set angle to 90. Set ray drop off to CCD bloom soft. Set length close to 1. This will define the tau length. Set soften to 0. Add soft glow node. Connect background to its input and connect its output to the light rays output. Adjust the glow effect. Add transform node and set the falling angle of the star. Add duplicate node. Set apply mode to screen. Adjust the numbers as placement of the star. Done. To learn even more about capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget subscribe to the channel.